Good morning guys. Welcome back for another video today, a double episode special. Happy Friday, so no one gets wrecked before the weekend. I want everyone to go home with some money in their pocket, so this is why I'm making a video on Nvidia. I already did Tesla, and I was like, you know what, everyone's invested in both, so let's just go ahead and do it, and let's see if I can help you out. So if this video helps you out, please subscribe to the channel. You are going to love the content I bring you moving forward. Leave a like, thumbs up. If you are interested in joining our Discord channel, the link to the Discord channel is in the description of this video below, alongside the Twitter, as well as the link to the last video I did on Nvidia, so you are fully aware of why I'm doing this follow-up video as a courtesy for you. Now, moving forward, you can see that we are basically looking like a head and shoulder distributional top over here, and you've already had your first leg down on earnings with a gap right over here between 128 to 137. And this is on a weekly chart, all right? So what I'm going to do now is show you what we were looking at from the last video, and then we're going to move forward with that as to what I see moving forward. Another thing is, you saw that there was a bearish divergence. As we were getting higher, there was less and less buyers, and then finally someone took advantage of that and actually cleaned out the bearish divergence with a huge sell. And that's what you're seeing happen in your face right now. Here is what we were looking at last time. Exactly what I was telling you is above 156. If we could not go over there, we were going to sell off in a very fast, sharp fashion. Here is what's going on. Underneath this level over here, 132, you are trying to complete an inverse head and shoulder for upside continuation. And just like how I did on Nvidia, I'm going to give you, on Tesla, I'll give you like a range of what we can look for. Sure, I'll go like this, okay? So let's just say if we were to pass this accumulation phase, the next target above 156 I'm going to look for is 181. For now, that's how I'm going to keep it, and I'll explain all that to you guys at another time. But for now, let's just look at that, okay? And as you can see, we are doing a little dance on the weekly between 110 and 132. So I'm going to click down a time frame so we can talk about consolidation right now. So over here on the daily, you can see this was a level that, hey, you didn't want to break. We are underneath that level. You're doing a consolidation underneath major buys. Like a lot of people are all over here in this range right here. Okay, this is for the last 108 days. People were buying from 130 to 150, thinking we're going to go higher. And now they're all underwater. And more than likely, what this thing is going to do is push in this direction, because they're going to scare them out of the market for a bigger buyer to come buy their liquidity, probably into $110. So for people who are here at 124 thinking it can't go to 110 to 184, let's see what happens in the next few days. I bet you they're going to cry, because when the interest rates didn't cut, all these tech companies are going to get washed out for the next whole month until the cut happens. And that's, get ready, just get ready. And that's why I'm making this video. Here it is on RSI. If you go to weekly on RSI, you can see we were building such strong bearish divergence, and that's why this tool is very good. Feel free to go watch the last two videos I posted explaining how this tool operates, how I use it, if you don't understand it, and you should go get some secondary indicator to destroy your biases when you're trying to take trades. So you're not just like going off gut feelings, you're going off some kind of confluence with other indicators or factors or whatever. So at this point, I'm saying, today you're going to open, and you're already going to open a down around 122. If you come back into 132, I would highly advise you to take some profit, because 132 and 150, so this whole thing now is your bearish zone, and that's where you have to get above to even see upside. And anything that's going to come into this area will be a dead cat bounce for lower due to the fact that you already wrecked yourself. This is your warning for further downside. If you break this level here, that's your warning for further downside in a much, much larger wrecked mode situation, because Elon himself is probably seeing this as like, I better cash out some, or not Elon, Jensen Hung and almost 70%, I think, of the employees of Nvidia are millionaires, probably because of the stock that they own in it. If they are as smart as they are of engineers and coders or whatever the heck, I'm pretty sure they will probably be taking profit as well, because they're not stupid and they understand what's going on with overbought, oversold conditions, etc., etc., etc. So back over here now, why I'm showing you this, look at what you're building, okay? This was a potential head and shoulder, and I expected one more attempt to even get into this and then fail. So, oops, that is why I'm even making this video, so you are fully aware of what worst case scenario can happen, and you can plan accordingly, because if you have a million shares of Tesla, you can sell calls against it above 180, and if we go to 180, cool, take your money. But at least if it's not going to happen, you're just collecting the premium. Do you understand what I mean? So stuff like that is how you need to start learning to hedge yourself for the future if you're going to be a long-term accumulator, because you never need to really sell the shares of your equity. You just understand how to sell options against it in the secondary market, collect premium, and continually add to your shares as they go down, and that will get you a better average, or you'll maintain your average in the long run. Because I'm looking at around $100 before I even care to even try to accumulate this for the long term. If it loses 110, 110 is the first stop as of right now. So I'll give you that much. Between 110 and 108, I want to see what the reaction. And then if you lose 100, I'm looking at it around 80-ish. And then I'll see, you gotta, if you guys care to see what happens, let me know in the comment section below. And if you care about Nvidia and Tesla, what other stock do you care about? Let me know in the comment section below. I will make the next video on it, just like how I did this. And if you have any other questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. If you want to talk to me live, going like, what the hell are you doing with these colorful rainbow lines on your chart? Ask me those questions in the Discord section, and I will get back to you in the response within probably 24 hours. And yeah, aside from that, guys, I just wanted to make this video so you guys are fully aware of what these market makers are about to do to your face. And keep in mind, Nvidia and Tesla are in every freaking index. So it's in SPY, it's in NASDAQ. The whole world is in these stocks. You all are going to feel the pain together, other than the people who are in cash like Mr. Buffett and myself. So have a wonderful day. I am short Ethereum as well. I don't care if you guys think it's going to the moon or not. I will slap you with my shorts. And that's just how confident I am with everything I'm doing. So prove me wrong by buying more shares of Nvidia. Prove me wrong by buying more shares of Tesla. And prove me wrong by buying more shares of Ethereum. Put your money where your mouth is. And I'll put my money where my mouth is. And we're going to see if the market is going to do what it's supposed to do through technical analysis, or if the market is going to fulfill your hopes, dreams, and make everyone rich because, it's a happily ever after. Everyone wins in your world, right? But in my world, 90% of you are losers, and only 5 to 10% will continually do this profitably for the rest of their life. So let's see who's who. I hope to hear from you guys in the comment section below. Have a wonderful weekend. I hope you all make some money after the market closes. Keep in mind, today is the monthly close for you crypto traders. I will see you guys today after 8 at night. I will see you tomorrow. I will see you Sunday. I will see you every day. So get ready. Crypto don't sleep. But the people in the stock market, watch this video and take it for what it's worth. After the market closes today, if it goes bad, keep in mind, what are you going to do for Monday open if you don't take these precautionary measures that I'm warning you about today, before market close? So have a great day. Be safe. Make some money. Keep it. Don't give it back.